Gilchrist something. Yeah, something's no big deal.
Hello.
Cheese. Oh, it's so cold.
Yeah, right there. Jim. I found a hole.
It's like a cave. It's like a cave. What?
You want to go find everyone?
Go back.
You want to go find everyone?
I look the coolest. Everybody's all like, wow, that guy's cool. He is the coolest. They see this and they're like, wow, the coolest. Jay,
I thought you said you didn't like the beach.
I don't like the beach.
This is pretty much a beach.
Not really, because there's clouds, there's, trees, and everything.
Well, it has sand, it's hot, and
Yeah.
there's water.
Yay.
It's a beach.
Hello, Demi. Hi. What are you doing? Yeah.
That's not going to school.
Where's Aiden and Billy?
The mud didn't come from the Y.
It's mixed with water. Show me your mud. Ew.
Mud.
Ow, ow, ow. Hang on, it's turning on. Say hello. Oh, I can just turn this frown upside down on this. Yeah, we're gonna turn that frown upside down.
No, don't edit it.
It's gonna be edited. Frown upside down.
I'm not muddy.
You are muddy. Ow.
I'm not muddy.
Hi. Oh, it's got me upside down. The equilibrium's off on it.
How are you guys?
What?
Are you guys hot already?
Oh my.
If you're already hot, like, and if you're not, please subscribe.
He's silly. Duck, 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 duck.